Imagine yourself as a visionary developer, not chasing trends, but creating them. You're evolving from standard coding to groundbreaking innovation, integrating artificial intelligence into your work effortlessly. This course offers you the knowledge, tools, and strategies to weave AI into every project, empowering you to build smarter, highly personalized websites that go far beyond traditional methods. As a website developer, you know that static pages are a thing of the past. Now, you're crafting true digital experiences. With AI, repetitive tasks become automated and complex functionalities become a reality. From enhancing user experiences with machine learning analytics to automating routine coding processes, you quickly see how integrating AI can free you to focus on creativity and problem solving. You'll dive into practical lessons on using leading AI tools, transforming tedious tasks into opportunities for innovation. Along the way, you'll work on projects that mirror real-world applications, ensuring that you build a versatile, robust skill set. And here's an added bonus. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By embracing this learning journey, you are not merely adapting to change, you're pioneering it. You become the developer who elevates every project and meets the industry's highest demands. All AI for Website Developers training courses are available on CompleteAItraining.com, where you have everything you need to step confidently into the future.